up guys, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so this week we're back with another video. This week we'll be trying actually another synthetic headband wig. Yay! And it's from a Amazon store, by the way. All these hairs that I'm trying is from an Amazon store. Yes, so just let me know before we get into this video. I want you to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Tell them about headband wigs. If they had wanted to try headband wigs before, I guess this is the video to tell them, yay, go ahead. You know, let me know in the comment section if this video gives you inspiration. Let me know in the comment section down below. Okay guys, so let's look at the hair. So the hair came in a Ziploc bag. It's the Amazon store is called Bileaf. I'm going to tag them in the description down below. So if you like the hair, don't hesitate to click that link and make your purchase. Alright, and these is pretty cheap. I'll tell you the price for it shortly. Don't remember right now, but I know that it's very affordable. So let's go and look at it. And it's a synthetic wig, by the way. So yeah. Okay, so this is the hair. It has a mesh on it. Yeah, don't know if you guys have seen it. Soon take off the mesh over it. But let's see what else is in the bag. Actually, I went ahead and I prepped my hair before because, guys, you guys don't want to know what is going on under this stocking cap. Actually, I had in some passion twist. I didn't bother to pull out the cornrows. It was actually crochet. And I'm going on the road right now, so I don't have time to pull out the cornrows and everything. So what I did was to just did my edges with a cyan wax, by the way. This is a must-have. It works, okay? So yes, let's see what else is in the bag. They gave me a headband that I'm not even going to use in this tutorial, but this one that I have on my head is pretty fine, so we're gonna work with that one. And it came with a headband. Yes, it's pretty cute. It's nice. I like it. What else? That's it. The bag is empty, so let's go ahead and look at the hair. Let's look at it. So I pull the mesh off. Comes with a protective thing. This is beneath it. Let's see how much clips is there. 1, 2, 3 clips. So you have 2 at the top right here and 1 at the bottom. These clips are there to secure the hair, and then you pull this part to put the wig on. So this is the hair. It is synthetic, so you can't use too much hand movement in it, but it's nice. It's a pretty nice texture. Love that. It's cute. So let's see how that looks. So wait a minute. Guys, this came with three clips. 2 at the side, 1 in the middle, no, 4 actually in total, and 1 down here at the bottom. So let's go ahead and try it on. Oops. I'm just securing the hair with the clips that it came with. Okay, good. I'm going to have to fix these edges, guys, but that's besides the point. Put this behind your ears. Alright, let me just push it back a little bit, and as I said, let me just fix back my edges because they are not looking so good right now. Oops, I didn't pin that down properly, it seemed. Okay, it feels like it's more secure now. So this is it, as is. Can definitely wear it in a catch-up also, but we're gonna try the styles. What you guys think about it? Do you like it? You think it's a yay or a nay? I'm gonna style it, so let me get a feel of it and I'll tell you guys about it. Hold on. It's soft, very soft. Not up. Guys, so this is the hair. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. It's actually a water wave hair, so you can definitely brush it. I was brushing mine just to get it a little bit more softer, but let me know what you think. I think the hair is pretty nice. It's very easy to put on, like if you're running on the road like myself right now, you can easily put it on and you're through the door. So that is the purpose of a headband wig, and I think this wig is serving its purpose. So if you like this wig, go ahead and click that link in the description down below and get yourself this wig. See? Let me show you guys the back. It's just the same. Yes, so next time, bye.